In this short video, I would like to give you a couple of ALEKS tips for the week. When working on topics in ALEKS, you have two resources that are available to you. First, videos. If you click on this button, it will take you to a link that will provide you with a short video explanation of the topic that you are working on. In there, it will work out examples of whatever the topic is. The second resource is here with the ebooks. If we click on this particular icon, you have two options. Here, you can click to access the video that we just talked about, or you can click here to access the electronic book. It will take you directly to the section that you are working on for that topic. Here we have section 5.3, and it will give you explanations and examples of the topic that you're working on. To jump back and forth through the pages, you can utilize these two arrows here to jump forward here and to jump backwards here. If you have any additional questions, please email me at rvinson@dcccd.edu. Hope this helps.